nag-push sa akin si Ate Kat na munting regalo galing sa mga tao nagmamahal sa'yo. And syempre, hindi nagsimula ang birthday mo kung wala mga babati sa'yo ng happy birthday. And nakolekta namin yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. And paupo ka muna, may popcorn dyan sa kusina, be comfortable. Kasi yung unang babati sa'yo, tinalo ang probinsyano, sobrang haba ng mensahe niya sa'yo. Dapat gagawa ko ng sarili niyang video Hindi ko na siya sasama rito sa video na to. Pero he knows you for so many years and gano'n na siguro siya. Yaman mo na, kumpare mo naman yan. But yeah, eto siya.
Share with your favorite thing about Kokoy.
Si Kokoy, isang mabait na tao yan, may isang salita. Kung ano sinabi niya, ginagawa. Yan ang magandang thing kay Kokoy. Number 1 yan. Napakabait na tao. Yun lang ang masasabi kong Kokoy.
Share why you love Kokoy.
Kokoy, mahal na mahal ko yan yung totoong tao. Kaya mahal na mahal ko yan. Yan ang kumbaga one of the person that I knew na totoong tao talaga yan. Hindi siya parang lata na napakaingay. Pero yan, totoong tao yan. May isang salita. Yan ang gusto ko kay Kokoy.
Share what you appreciate most about Kokoy.
Lahat ng ginagawa naman sa akin ni Kokoy, ina-appreciate yan. Small thing, big thing, ina-appreciate yan. Show up lang sa bahay yan talagang ina-appreciate yan dahil siya yung parang aking inspirasyon sa buhay. Parang siyang ina-admire ko sa buhay ng pagdadala ng buhay ng pamilya, mga bagay na kailangan mong tuturo niya sa'yo kung paano maging totoong tao. Yan. Hindi yung paligoy-ligoy, basta siya yung totoong tao na talagang ina-admire ko. Koy, sana hindi ka magbago. Alam ko naman, always ka nandyan sa 22 years na hindi ako nagpakita. Pero di ibig sabihin nun, nakalimutan ko ni John, si Robin. But like I said, nandito kayo sa puso ko. Di naman ako nagbabago sa inyo. Sana sa kaarawan mo ito, bigyan ka ng maraming blessing na kung ano yung mga kan mo sa buhay, mga pangarap mo sa buhay, may bigyan ni Papa Lord sa iyo. Happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka ng good health. Kung ano man yung hinahangad mo sa buhay, sana ibigay sa inyo, Lord. Happy birthday again. Salamat. Bigyan mo pagkakataon magsalita sa tungkol sa iyo. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday. Me and Trinia, binabati ka naming maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday and good luck. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kokoy. Thank you sa lahat.
Cookie! Happy birthday pare! Sayang wala ako dyan, maglalasing sana tayo. Miss na kitang kainuman pare. Anyway, miss you pare. Ingat lagi at more birthdays to come.
Hello, Tito Tony. Happy birthday. Have a great birthday. We
love you!
Happy birthday, Kuya Tony. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. We love you.
Happy birthday, Pops. I miss you and I love you and I hope I can see you again. Also, since I said that, can you also buy me a plane ticket please for next year? Thank you. Happy birthday.
Tony Carr. Pare, Kokoy. AKA Superman. Pare, happy birthday. May God bless you, and I pray that God blesses you more with all the good things in life, most especially your health, your happiness, your success. May you also achieve all the things in life that you are set out to do. Pare Koy, you are truly a great friend, great man. You're a great father to your family. That's why you hold a very special part in my life. Thank you for being a good friend to me. Thank you for being a significant part of my life. Again, brother, have a blast. 40 years old, brother. I love you. And long live the king. Peace out, baby.
Birthday mo daw, Koy! Happy birthday! Tagay mo na lang kami, ha? Sana naman you guys visit us in California soon. Namiss ko na kayo. Ingat kayo parate and have a wonderful birthday, friend. Bye!
Good morning! Yeah, Kuya Koy, kamusta na? I just wanted to greet you happy birthday, more blessing, and more to come.
Birthday Kokoy, thank you for always inviting me sa mga parties mo. Medyo na late yung video ko. Anyway, happy birthday, wish you all the best, good of health, and many more birthdays to come.
Pre, happy birthday! Oh, kailan naman? Nah, I'm just kidding. Well, just wishing you good health and more blessings to come. You know, kita tayo.
Happy birthday, Kuya. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kokoy! Wish you all the best!
Yon, Koy, happy birthday sa'yo. Pabata na tayo ng pabata. Wishing you, brother, na kaligayahan sa buhay, good health, and happy family. Hopefully na magkita-kita tayo soon. Happy birthday. I love you, bro.
What's up, Koy? I just want to wish you a happy birthday. More blessings and good health. And I appreciate our friendship from decades ago. Keep safe always. God bless.
Happy birthday, paring Kokoy. Mabuhay ka pa ng matagal. Keep healthy. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Kokoy. Birthday mo, hindi ka man lang nag-invite. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, just want to greet you in behalf of the Angeles family. We want to to wish you a very happy, blessed birthday. Sana God will continue to bless you sa all aspect of your life. Sa health mo, sa finances, sa work, sa family, sa lahat-lahat. Because you deserve the best. Because you are the best, diba? And last wish ko sa birthday mo, sana ay malasing mo kami. Okay. Koy, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kokoy! We wish you all the best. Shot na!
Happy birthday, Koy! Happy birthday, Koy! Wishing you more birthdays and more blessings and good health. Love you, pre. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, happy birthday to you. More birthday to come. Long life, good health, and God bless you. Later.
Happy birthday, Kokoy!
Stay healthy.
And stay happy!
Ow! Ow! Love you, bro.
Hi! Happy birthday, Kokoy. Simple lang yung wish ko para sa'yo. More blessings, of course, tsaka great health. Kasi importante yan para mas marami ka pang time with your family. I know your family means a lot to you. So again, happy birthday! Enjoy!
First of all, let me start with saying I'm glad I get to be a little part of your birthday, man. Turning 40, that's great. I'm just wishing you a happy birthday, man. Wish I can be there with you, but they're in spirit, and you're in my thoughts and my prayers. You and your family.
Happy birthday, Tony Carl. Welcome to the Over 40 Club.
Happy birthday, Kokoy. Enjoy your birthday, and life begins at 40.
Ayun. Happy birthday, pre. More birthdays to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo. And I wish a success in your life. Stay healthy. And enjoy your day, pare.
Happy birthday, Kuya! More birthdays to come.
Okay, good morning. Happy 40th birthday to you. Mag-birthday ka hanggang gusto mo. Enjoy lang. With your family. Si Kuya Aman to. Happy birthday na lang ulit. 40th birthday mo. Sige. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Koy, enjoy your day to the fullest. Happy birthday.
Chat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Coco. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your birthday with your beautiful family. See you next time. Happy birthday again, brother. Bye-bye.
Tol, happy birthday. Sensya na, ngayon lang ako nagawa ng video. Kakauwi ko lang But, anyway, paano ba umpisan to? So, I guess, let's talk about ano na lang. Kung paano tayo nagkakilala and how long we've been friends for. So, nag-meet kami ni Kokoy 2004. Na-meet ko siya dahil kaila Rusty and kay Paul. Sa totoo lang, ayaw pakilala ni Paul sa'yo at siya ni Rusty. Kasi baka upakan mo daw ako Pero, okay lang. Okay naman pinagkalabasan. Teka, kumatay ako pre, teka lang. Yeah, but, anyways, ayun, so 2004, ano na ba nga, 2024, 20 years na tayong magkakilala. 20 years mo na rin ang binubullshit Pero, okay lang. Sali na kami sa'yo ganyan ka hindi kita sinisiraan. Alam ko ng birthday mo ba't kita sisiraan? Ano ba? Pero gusto ko lang talagang ibunyog yung sikreto mo. Tikati, huwag ka magagalit may sikreto to si Kokoy. Sasabihin ko na, okay lang yan tol. Birthday mo naman ngayon Ang sikreto nito ni Kokoy kasi, may hilig yan sa babaeng matataba. Kasi one time, magkasama kami yan, naglaro sila ng siso, hindi siya makababa. Hindi, joke lang. Pero ang dami namin pinagdaanan ni Kokoy, you know. Naawa nga ako sa kanya kasi minsan hindi niya ako marinig. Inside joke na lang namin yun. Alam niya na yun kung bakit. Pero as Kokoy as a friend, he's a good friend. You know, I love that guy. Nagiging heart to heart na. Pero yeah, pag kailangan ko siya or kailangan niya ako, we'll be there for each other. And sana wag mong kalimutan na uminom araw-araw kasi gawain mo naman talaga yun eh. Hindi, joke lang. Ano ba? Pero, you know, take care of yourself because we're getting old. Hindi na tayo katulad lagi ng bata pa tayo. And which yung ginagawa natin na, you know, araw-araw, inom tayo ng inom, but wala, ganun talaga eh. You know, pero daan-daan tayo pag ano na lang. Konting daan-daan naman. You know, so that we can still enjoy each other. Alam mo yan. Because I still want to see you. Ano ba? Paano ka na ba? Hindi, pero yun nga. Timo, alam mo yan. All I can say is, Tol, happy birthday and I love you and take care always. Bye.
Hey, Tony Carl. Happy birthday. I wish you many, many more. I'm so proud of you. You're such a good person, a good man, good husband and father. And I'm so lucky to have you as one of my nephew, and I'm proud of it. Again, happy birthday. I wish you good health and, of course, lots of love. And enjoy your day. God bless you. Happy birthday again. Love you very much.
Paring Kokoy, happy birthday and God bless.
1, 2, 3.
Happy
birthday, son.
Happy 40th birthday.
And being the 40th birthday, that means you're now officially old. Over the hill, past your prime. Pretty soon, your stuff ain't gonna work anymore. And your good looks are just gonna slide. And you're fucked, dude.
No,
but be happy.
We want to let you know that you are very special. We always talk about you, how you're being generous to us. You always take care of us. We love you so much, son. You don't know how much we're proud of you.
That's true. But you're always trying to piss me off. But,
Really?
yeah, he does.
I didn't know that. But me too.
I'll show you the text.
He pissed me off
He
too,
likes
but-
to get everybody wound
Really?
up. See if he can get
But
everybody-
anyway, we're greeting.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay,
Yeah,
that's right.
okay. So anyway, happy birthday. I love you so much, you know.
We do love you, regardless of anything. We love you so much.
And we are blessed. We
Yeah.
are blessed. You gave us a good grandkids. You got good family that you gave us. We're thankful for that. We are blessed. We thank God that we have you. We love you so much.
You left your mark. We know you were here. And that's very important.
Love you,
Happy
son.
birthday.
Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Love you.
Ready na?
Ready na ba?
Yan na.
Pare, happy birthday. Ewan ko kung anong ginagawa sa akin ni Robin bigla. Binigla ako, pre. Alam mo naman, hindi ako mahilig sa speech eh. But you know, I just want to wish you a happy birthday and mahal na mahal kita. And gusto ko lang na malaman mo na nandito ako lagi para sa'yo. And alam mo naman, bata pa tayo, mga ano natin, yung mga pinag-usapan natin, hindi ko nakakalimutan lahat yun, you know. So always, I'm always gonna be your big brother, bro. You know, kahit na sinasabi mo ikaw ang big brother ko, but you know how it is. It's the other way around, bro. I love you so much. happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita, and I wish everything will work out for you. So in life, in everything. Love you, bro. Peace.
Best friend. Wow, 40. 40. Damn, ganda mo na pre. 40 years old. God damn. Anyways, pare, happy birthday. And we've been friends for 22 years, pare. Just wish you a very successful and very healthy life. Okay? Nagawa mo ng lahat, pare. So, it's time for you to enjoy, pare. Okay? Pare, see you soon. Okay? Happy birthday. See you soon, pare. Ando ka lang pala. Anyway, happy birthday, pare.
Happy birthday, Pa. I may not be with you on this special day or next to you and say happy birthday, but here I am, starting my life up just for you. That's all you ask for me. That's what I'm doing for you. And there's some days where it's harder than others, but just remembering, like, everything that you've done and Mom's done for me, it pushes me to be stronger and courageous. It's not hard, it's just that I missed you guys so much. But it's easy now, because I know what I'm doing this for, and I'm doing it for you guys also. I can't wait to see you next month, Pa. And I will do this. It's not hard at all. But I will do this, Pa. I love you, Pa. I'll see you next month.
Happy birthday, you made it to a whole new year. Happy birthday, happy birthday, blessings to come.